My dear friends, now we are going to learn final hooks. What it means? Final hooks means few sounds given like N sound, F sound, and V sound. Here we have three sounds in final hooks. Before this, now we have to discuss about initial hooks also. Already we learnt initial hooks. First of all, we have to know where is the initial place, where is the final place, etc. Okay, this is a stroke. These are all strokes. Now we have to find where is initial, where is final. We know very well this is initial, final, initial, final, initial, final, like that. Okay, if I write the strokes like PB, TD, JJ, etc. Already we learnt initial hooks by giving a small hook initially like this per, bur, ter, der, cher, jar, etc. Okay, now I am going to enter into final hooks. Final hooks means the place of ending, it is called final. Okay, now we have to add a hook for these strokes, etc. We have 26 strokes now. We have to add a final hook for this. Now what I am indicating here means whether is it right motion or left motion is important. That means now we have to move our hand with left motion and right motion. Already three sounds given for us in final hooks, they are N hook, F hook and V hook. Now we can discuss about N hook. If we want to write N hook, it is to be written with the direction of right side. How the hand moves like this, no? This is this direction, this is right direction. Okay, just we can see the normal strokes PB, TD, JJ, KG, FV, etc. Right motions means our hand will turn like this, in this direction, like this. So we can add a final hook like this, this. Okay, just you observe like this. If we add a final hook with right motion, this sound gives us N. Now I am giving examples to you for understanding. I am writing P stroke, B stroke, T stroke, etc. And also now I am indicating vowels also. First place, first place, first place. This is P stroke, B stroke, T stroke. Now I am adding N hook. N hook means how it is with right motion, no? Now I am adding N hook, N hook, N hook. P stroke plus vowel indication is first place means A sound, no? P plus A. Final hook is N sound. It is called as pan. B plus A plus N, ban. T plus A plus N, tan. This is tan. Like this. Okay, we have to follow right motion. Few examples I am going to give for this. B and ben, TONE, tone, CHAIN chain, COIN coin, RAIN rain, like this. What the sound is coming here? All N sound, N, 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 etc. Okay. Ben means on the line A sound, B plus N hook, ben, tone, chain, coin, rain, like this. Okay, this is the story of N hook with right motion. Now I am moving to F and V hooks. Okay, now for N hook I given the direction of right side. Now I am giving the direction for left side now. Okay, this is left side direction. Right side means it is our hand is moving like this. Now I am giving left side direction. For F and V hooks we have to write with the left motion direction. The same I given examples here: pan, ban, tan, etc. No, in the same way just I am writing P stroke first place, B stroke first place, T stroke first place. Here the direction is right side. Now the direction is left side here. Okay, now I am giving a hook for left side, left side, left side. Okay, but I think you are getting one doubt here. Here is only one sound N, that is right motion. Here the Pitmans are given us two sounds here, F sound and V sound. Okay, likewise P plus R plus F, of course just you can pronounce as PAF, B plus A plus F BAF, T plus R plus F TAF. Okay, of course now I am going to write again. I give an F sound here. Now I am also adding the sound V also now. V, V. P plus R plus V, PAV. B plus R plus V, BAV. T plus R plus V, tau. That means what I am telling you, the Pitmans are given two sounds here, F and V. According to the situation, according to the circumstances, according to the sentence, we can change it as a F sound or V sound. Okay, for both sounds we can use left side motion hook, PAF, PAV, BAF, BAV, TAF, TAU, like that. Now I am going to give a few examples for F and V also, just to concentrate here. I am writing BUFF, TOUGH, DLOVE. BUFF means special sound, no? Buffer. The sound is coming here as F sound. TOUGH, tough, F sound. GLOVE, V sound, glove. Okay, in this way now I am writing. Buff means B on the line, F hook, buffer, F sound. Tough, this is also special sound, tough, F hook. Glove, gull, V hook. This is V sound. Likewise, according to the pronunciation, just you can change it F and V. Okay, by practice you can identify each very easily, there is no doubt at all. Okay, now we have completed N, F and V hooks for straight strokes, but we didn't complete curved strokes. Okay, now we are going to discuss about curved strokes also. Okay, curved strokes. What are they? Curved strokes means F, V, it, the, S, Z, ish, G, etc. Okay, M, N, ing, L, etc. Okay, now I am not writing all due to lack of time. Okay, here how many sounds we have? N, F and V sounds. No, in final hooks we have three sounds N, F, V. But what we are doing here means for curved strokes just we are considering only N sound but not F and V sounds. Okay, F and V sounds are not applicable in these final hooks. There is no doubt at all. Only we have to take into consideration only N sound. Here you see in for straight stroke just we are with the direction right side direction just we are indicating N sound, with left side direction we are indicating F and V. But here just you can see these are all curved strokes F, V, it, the, S, Z, ish, G, M, N, ing, L, etc. But here we are unable to move it as left motion, right motion like this. We are unable to move it as left motion, right motion. Just you see this is F stroke, no? This is V stroke. This is ish stroke, ish. This is M stroke. Okay, for example, this is F. For left motion it is okay. We can write easily. Left motion it is okay. For this is right motion okay. This is right motion okay. But if I want to write it as right motion means how it is, how it is, how it looks, how it looks. Is it convenient to write? No. Is it convenient? It is very difficult to move the motion. Okay, that's why for curved stroke especially there is no motion. Okay, F stroke how we are writing? We are writing like this. In the same direction just we have to put a final hook like this. Okay, there is no direction for left and right for these curved strokes. Just if we have to move according to the direction of the stroke, that's all. And also for curved strokes just we are using only N sound but not F and V. Okay, only one sound is there for curved strokes, final hooks, that is N sound only. Now I am going to give examples here. F above the line, V above the line, it through the line, S through the line. Just I am trying my level best to understand you. Okay, F plus A fa, V plus A va, it plus E the, S plus E C, like this. F plus A, if we add a small hook and N indication, this is called fan. Why? Because it is first place, no? Fan. V plus N, van. It plus E plus N, thin or thin. S plus E, C, with small hook S plus N, seen, like this. Okay, few examples I am going to write for you. For example, FINE, LINE, NINE, MOON, etc. Fine means we know very well phi. Line means lie. Nine means nigh. Move means like this. If you want to add a N hook for this, in the same direction we are going to add a small hook like this. Fine, line, nine, moon, like this. Now few more examples I am writing here, just you observe. FIVE, LIVE, MOON, VE, KNIFE. Just you observe the sounds here. V sound is there, V sound, F sound. What I told here, for curved strokes, just we can use only N sound, but not F and V. But here V sound, F sound are there. For which what we can do, there is no sound for there is no hook for F and V here. In this case, what we have to do means just we have to write full strokes like this. 5. We have to write full strokes. 5. Live, move, knife. Why? Because there is no hooks. There is no chance for us to write with the hooks. That's why just we can write full strokes. Okay, that is the reason why we don't want to write like this. Next, okay, with this just I am stopping here for final hooks for first session. Okay, due to lack of time and due to heavy expansion of time for this video, I am stopping here. For next part 2, I am going to do next part. It is okay. Just make it concentrate. Thank you very much, my dear friends.